Hey, and welcome back to a new video. Today I want to show you how to easily remove the background of an image in Figma. So Figma doesn't have any kind of functionality to do it like actually with the tools that Figma offers. So what we want to do is we want to install a plugin, and there's one that's very cool. That's called Icons 8 Background Remover. We can simply save it to our preferred plugins, and then we need to choose or select the frame. Then we go to our Save Plugins, Icons 8 Background Remover, and just click Remove Background. And as you can see here in the background, it's running, and now it takes a little bit of time to actually do it. It works for all images up to 5 megabytes. If the image is bigger, you need to use the web version. I think this one is paid even. Or you can use another tool like Photoshop, for example, to do it. But for 99% of the use cases that I am doing on a daily basis, this is more than just sufficient. And you can see here the quality works very well, even on a photo where the background is very similar to what the guy is wearing here. So make sure to try it out. Icons 8 Background Remover. Hope you liked the video. See you in the next one, and bye bye.